Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can view RAR files on your computer uh, in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to install a program called WinRAR. So for that, go to your browser and go to winrar.com/download and win #rar.com. By the way, be careful of that. And or you can just simply search on Google, and then you'll get this page, and you will have to download the latest version according to your OS type. And after that, after downloading, you have to install it. I already have downloaded it and installed it. The installation procedure is nothing like serious. All you have to just do is open it and install it like any other program by clicking next and finish. And so after downloading, you can downloading and installing, you can now view any RAR file on your computer as well as zip and other programs. So for that, let's look at a RAR file. Here is a RAR file, and we can open it uh, without extracting it. So I'm gonna open it, and as you can see, here is all the files inside the RAR file. And WinRAR is not free. They will give you a chance to use it, uh, use the trial version. But the thing is, you can use it for as long as you can uh, and there are ways to crack it. If you want to know about that, you can comment and subscribe this channel. I will upload a video on that. So that's how you basically can view RAR files on Windows 11 without extracting the file. So that's how you do it. And if you like this content and want more contents like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.